Welcome everyone to week 4 of the Permabull challenge. Yes, I'm still doing these things. As I mentioned in the last video, I'm changing it to 3 stocks once a week instead of 1 stock a day. Same amount of money over time though. We'll have 500 to allocate to 3. So, yep, that's it on the new format. Let's get into the 3 stocks that we're adding this week. So the first stock is a returning favorite, or a returnee at least, Laramide Resources. Now this one's been beaten up recently, down a good chunk percentage wise. And now the difference between this one and some others is they may need some financing in the coming future because they have a few deals going on, but I think their assets are just too cheap to ignore it, anything resembling these prices. So pick one, Laramide Resources. Our second pick is also a returnee, and I feel like it's possible that it looks like there may be a turn in the market in one very specific place. It looks like the gold royalty companies have been doing better than some of their peers recently. And that may be due to a risk off. You look at the other stocks, some fund managers have to be in equities and they look around and they want to be risk off, and that leads you to gold. And if you need to be in equities, you want the safest of the gold, and that's Sandstorm. They have value, they have growth, and they're a safety trade. And that is why I like Sandstorm. Lastly, for this week, we have a new one, Uranium Energy Corporation. Now, if you're going to ask me, do you not like your other uranium plays? That's not it. I do. But this one has been beaten down a lot recently. And you look at why they've been beaten down. It's because they sold a lot of shares at a higher price than this, and their existing shareholders didn't like it. And that's completely understandable. But when you look at when they sold, what the price they got, they nailed it. The market kind of fell apart right after that. So, I mean, the management maybe paid more than some of the other companies, but it's looking, at least in recent terms, like they may be worth it. And again, I just think they've been beaten down more than they deserve for that decision, especially when you consider that they now have $20 million more in cash. So this US ISR play is starting to look appealing. Maybe if it continues going down, maybe we'll add, we'll see. It may add some other uranium stuff, but that's just what I want to say about this new pick. And here's the math about the 3 new purchases, just so you can check that I'm not cheating, but I'm not. Yeah, so obviously if the market continues to descend, I'm not expecting any positive returns from any of these stocks, but I think I think they have a risk-adjusted good opportunity to outperform the market. And I don't fully understand what I just said there, but I mean that based on their risk reward level, I think they um, will outperform the market. If that makes sense. And finally, here's a look at where we're at with the portfolio. All the shares of all the things should be in there. And so that's what we're at today. Pretty diversified, but still some interesting things that I'm watching. We haven't picked up on any of them yet because I don't think the environment is right yet, but hopefully we'll get there soon. And catch you everyone next week. Hope you enjoyed. As always, everyone, please do your own research before making any investment decisions. This channel shall not be liable for any losses incurred from investment decisions made as a result of information obtained on this channel. Uh, Good luck with your investments. I'll catch you next time.